Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing Tuesday afternoon. I'm popping on live to talk to you guys about the lumispa. And the reason I'm coming on is that we have got a lot of new owners of lumispas. And whilst of course there are instructions in the box, sometimes it's easier to just have somebody explain it to you. So I thought I would do that. It's the most incredible device. You know, we've actually sold over 2 million of them in the past 18 months. So it's now the #1 at-home skincare device in the world. All right, so when you receive your lumispa, it will already have a treatment head on there. It won't be that one. This is the gentle treatment head. There are 3 different treatment heads, and depending on what you purchase, will depend on what treatment head is on yours. That's just the one that's on mine at the moment. When you receive it, it will have some charge. So you'll see the button in the middle here as we're turning it on. And when I press that button, those little lights come up around that center circle. However, even though there is a bit of charge in it, it's super important that you fully charge it overnight, so for about 12 or 13 hours. You can use it straight away, of course, because I'm sure most of you will be super excited to get your lumispa, so use it by all means. Then just dry it off and put it into the charger. So it comes with this little stand, and there's a cord attached to that you just plug into the wall and just charge it overnight. Okay, now how do you go about using it? Well, it only takes 2 minutes, and as I said, when you turn it on, this little light comes on, and you can see the top bit of the light comes on, and every 30 seconds that moves around, so it lasts for 2 minutes in total. And you actually do 4 different sections of your face. So I will show you. So normally you'd be in the shower. Well, I am. You don't have to use it in the shower, but I like to do that. It's just easy. It's waterproof, and I don't know, it just fits into my day. So normally your face would be wet, so I'm just going to spray my face. I'm only going to do half my face, by the way. All right, so your face is wet, and your lumispa would normally be wet as well. So I'm just going to dip it into a bowl of water that I've got in front of me. And then you get your cleanser. So your lumispa will come with a cleanser, whichever one you chose. This particular one is normal combo. And you can put the cleanser directly onto your fingers and then onto your face, but I prefer to put it onto the lumispa. Just an easy way of showing people how much to use. Thanks, Deb. Yeah. It's a good headband. You know I love them. So in the middle of the treatment head, you'll see there are 2 circles. And I always say just put on enough cleanser to actually cover that center circle. I'm not putting quite that much on because I'm only going to do half my face. And then what you do is you just dab that onto the 4 areas of your face. I'm just going to do 3, but normally it will be forehead, cheek, and your chin sort of neck area. And then you turn it on. Okay, and it starts to oscillate, and you just slowly move it across your skin. If you were to go too quickly, it would stop. It sort of makes this funny like sound if it gets stuck. So don't go too quickly, but if you do, it'll stop and you'll know. So you work on 4 different regions. I'm starting on my cheek, but it doesn't really matter. And I was saying before, the 4 regions are your forehead, each of your cheeks, and your chin and neck area. Amazing for that neck area as we get older. All right, it's paused, so I'm moving on to my forehead. It's good if you can use sort of upward motions on your forehead because it actually helps with something called lymphatic drainage, and that's just really good for firming up your skin. All right, and across sort of your hairline is great for lymphatic drainage as well. So then that will last for 30 seconds and it will pause again. And I will move on to the next area, which will be my chin and neck area. All right, you can't hear it pause, but I can. All right, now I'm onto my chin. So lots of different benefits. It sweeps away dead skin cells without scratching your skin, so it doesn't damage your healthy skin. It's completely hygienic. It's made of medical grade silicone that's embedded with antimicrobial silver, which sounds super fancy, doesn't it? And it is, because it keeps it really, really hygienically clean. So you're not transferring bacteria back onto your face every time you use it. And some of the benefits, hi Andy, some of the benefits, I don't know if you've got a lumispa yet. This is for all the newbies who've just gotten one. Okay, so reduces your pore size. How good is that? Gives you beautiful, radiant, healthy, glowing skin. Makes your skin smoother, gives you like a more refreshed look, but also helps as we age with toning. So one of the things that I think is amazing about this little device is that the speed that it oscillates at, ooh, by the way, can you see that? That's gross. And I hardly wear any makeup. Anyway, the speed that it oscillates at is 15 hertz, and that again sounds a bit technical, but the reason that's so good is it's the exact speed that's needed to make our skin cells dance in a certain way so that they all line up in neat little rows and they do what they're supposed to do, which is produce collagen. So that's why the lumispa helps with cleansing. All right, so then you would normally be in the shower, so you would just run the lumispa under the shower. I always remove the treatment head at the end and just give it all a bit of a wash, and I prefer to dry it. I just think it will last for longer if you do, but as I said, it is waterproof. And then you would normally put your face under the shower head, but you know, I'm not in the shower, so I'm just going to use this cotton wipe that I've got. By the way, on the topic of wipes, don't use those ones that you buy in the packets from the supermarket. They're so bad for your skin. Even if they say that they're for sensitive skin, they're actually really bad. They've got all sorts of gross things in them. All right, so once you've done that, you would hop out of the shower, dry your face. I always use this toner because this one's got, believe it or not, it's got tea green in it. So green tea, really powerful antioxidant, and also 16 different amino acids. And amino acids are awesome because they are the building blocks of our skin. So a bit of a spritz of that on one side of my face. And then I'm just popping on a little bit of moisturizer as well that's got hyaluronic on it. And then once I get off this live, I will do the other side of my face. But yeah, so for all of you who have got your lumispa, once you finish using it, I really do recommend you dry it off, particularly the end part, because those are the little, I don't even know what you call them, but they're metal and they connect with the metal in the charger. So best for them not to be wet, because I feel like it would, I mean, they're stainless steel, so they probably wouldn't corrode, but I would be definitely drying it off and then just keeping it in its stand. And yeah, it should last you for a very long time. You should get a lot of enjoyment out of it. In a couple of days, probably Thursday, I'm going to hop on and do a live on how to use your lumispa for lymphatic drainage. It gives amazing results, and it's a very specific technique that you use. So I'll share that with you on Thursday. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.